learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we got another theme for you to learn, something very practical. When we're in a situation where we don't know what's going on, we might ask, what's going on? Or what happened?发生什么代志啊？发生什么事？是我们这个月的一个主题。
发生乜嘅事情？
发生乜嘅事情？发生 means happen， 发生了嘛？乜嘅事情 ？What kind of things happen, right? All right， 有时候我们看到一个人好像感觉有点不太舒服，对不对？
对，
好像身体有点弱弱的。是发生什么事情了？你可能会问嘛。
对。
但有的时候，尤其是女生，搞不好是喜事哦。我怀孕了。
当然是喜事。
对。When we see someone who looks kind of weak, maybe that person is sick, but maybe she just got pregnant. 怀孕怎么说？
有生烘。
有生烘就是有身孕的，对不对 ？Okay, 有生烘 that means pregnant. Or maybe 真的这个人呢，他就是不舒服，可能要感冒了，还是怎么样，还是昨天没睡好，可能就是不舒服哈。I just don't feel well. How do you say I don't feel well? 不舒服。
松松。
松松。
对。
我们通常国语还会说不舒服，对不对？
松松。
松松。Okay, that means I don't feel well. I don't feel comfortable right now. 松松。Okay,
那海陆腔松松。
松松。Okay, a different way of saying not comfortable, not feeling well. 不舒服啊，对不对？ All right, and if that's the case, 不管是怀孕了还是不舒服，
赶快去看医生。
要赶快去医院了啦，对不对？哈 You gotta go to the hospital. So how do you say hospital?
医院。
医院。
那我们也可以说病院。
病院就是
病院了。
病院了哈 Okay, that's a different way of saying hospital. 医院。or 病院。All right, let's make a phrase out of this word here then. 那我们就用医院来造个句好了。
OK，
就是说要提醒周遭的朋友，如果不舒服，记得去医院做检查。
记得去医院。
记得去医院
做检查。
做检查。Okay, that means the whole line. Remember to go to the hospital to get a checkup. All right, now let's review all these terms. 怀孕 pregnant. 有生烘 有生烘 Then 不舒服 not feeling well.
松松
松松 And finally, the hospital 医院医院 or 病院
Yeah.
There you go. It's all about what happened. 发生什么事？
发生乜嘅事情？
发生乜嘅事情 Right here on Practical Hakka. And thank you for tuning in.
什么大家？
汉字社长来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.